Hi, in this lecture I am going to teach you how to use the Elementor for making a website. Let me open it. Actually, Elementor is a plugin that makes a website easy to make. Let me show how it works. Here is the dashboard of our WordPress, and I have installed Elementor and Elementor Pro, and now I'm going to create a new page and will show you how Elementor will work. Create a new page. Here we go. Now this header and this footer is the default from my theme. I'm going to make sections in this page. Here is the left side. You will find some elements. You know, every website has some sections, like this is a section, and this is header is also a section, and here is a section, and every section have some elements. Like this section have 3 elements organized in 3 columns. Elementor help us to make all these sections and all these elements. Let me show how it works. You can add some elements from here. If you want to make 3 column structure, then you have to click here. Here is a big section, and here is the 3 columns in which you will add some elements. For example, I am going to add here an image. I have to drag it and put it here. Now the image is selected, and you can see all the options available for this. For example, you want to change the image, then you have to click here. You can change its size, alignment. You can set it to center or set it to right. I am going to insert another element here, like I'm going to put a video here. You have to put this video here, and now you can easily change the setting of this video. The link goes here, and play control you want to show or not, you can set it from here. Autoplay, mute, you can set all the options available for this video. And now I'm going to put another element here, like I'm going to put some text editor here. So I will put here the text. In the same way, if I want to add another section, then I have to, for example, you want to do something here with 2 columns, then you have to click here. You can find here 2 sections have appeared. Now you have to put element here, like I'm going to show a button here, you can see, and I am going to show a map here. Now in layout, you can see that you can change the width it from here, and if you want to put this button in the middle, you have to set this vertical line in middle. You can see easily here. So in this way, you can easily make your website with the help of Elementor. I want 3rd section in 1 column and want to put some form here, like you can see here. You can type here form. Here you can see all the forms, search form, login form, and I'm going to put this form here. You can see that name, email, message, and send button is here. So this is a simplest and easy way to make the website with the help of Elementor. There are a number of other options like advanced. In advanced option, you can set the margin, padding, positions of every element. After setting it up, you have to publish your website and the job done. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial about Elementor. Keep watching the next one.